welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make fire-burnt brinjal curry. Very easy to make. The smoky flavor in the brinjal curry is absolutely delicious. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Flame on the stove and burn a brinjal directly in fire. Let this burn for 15 seconds, then flip it to the other side. Likewise, burn all the sides well. It will take about 3 minutes per brinjal. Once the brinjal is completely burnt, off the flame and allow the brinjal to cool completely. Then peel off the skin. Once you peel off the skin, add it directly to a mixing bowl. Likewise, I've burnt and peeled about 250 grams of brinjal. Mash it well using a fork. Now it's nicely mashed, so go ahead and add 1 onion very finely chopped, few curry leaves chopped, 1 green chilli very finely chopped, half teaspoon of salt and half cup of tamarind juice. Mix it well. Now a delicious fire-burnt brinjal curry is ready. You can enjoy this as side dish with steamed rice or even with rotis. This fire-burnt brinjal curry is a very quick and delicious side dish recipe. So do try this recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.